Today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange your home screen in Google Pixel 8. So in the first step, hold the finger on the empty place on the screen and we can go to the wallpaper and style. As you can see, there is the place where you can change the wallpaper, so just tap on the decided one. You can also tap to the more wallpapers. If you want to change the home screen, just click here. If you want to change the lock screen, of course you have to tap on this icon. You can also change the system accents, sorry, system colors accents. So as you can see, now we have a I'm not sure, sorry, I'm the man. Now we have a purple system accents, so we can switch it to the green one, for example, and this is how it works. You can also turn on the theme icons. There you have a preview, but I don't like it. Okay, if you want to change the upgrade, you can do it here. If you want to change the amount of the applications in the rows and in the columns, just tap on anyone and go back. Now we can go to the widgets. If you want to add any, just expand the desired app and hold the widget, then place it on the home screen. You can also change the size of it by swiping the edges. If you want to remove that, just hold the finger on it and swipe to the remove button. That's it. Now we can go to the home settings, and as you can see there we can allow the home screen rotation if you want to use your home screen in the large scale rotation. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.